What is up guys, NkC here. Today we are going to learn how to get information about the technologies used by the targeted website. So we are going to use a website called NetCraft and I'm just going to type it here, and also I'm going to put my targeted website right here, exactly what I mean, and I'm just going to type defendtheweb.net and I just click on lookup. And again, first of all, you will see some basic information such as website title, the description, the keywords, and when the website was created. Just scrolling down, you can see the website itself, the domain name, the IP address, just like we have seen in the previous video, the domain register and the site ranking, whatnot, the date first seen. This was the NetCraft's ranking. This was all the information related to network settings, and this was a site, hosting company, hosting country, whatnot. Just go explore each and everything. This was the organization, DNS, admin, top level domain, whatever. These were all the IP delegations. We are going to discuss what all these are, and these were the countries. And if you see, the most interesting thing, we can get a lot of graphs and related stuff related to whatever the things we are searching for. And this was the information related to SSL and TLS, which was used by this domain. And you can say HTTP site report guide. Also, this was a hosting history of this particular domain, and the IP addresses, as you can see, and which was hosted by which OS, and the servers are of Linux, and all the things, DMARC related information of this domain, and all the web trackers. You can get all the information related to them from here. And the two known trackers were identified, such as well-known things, Cloudflare and MaxCDN. These were all the things which we already know and which we are going to learn in detail. And these were the site technology of server side, which was this SSL. And you can just read out the description which was provided here, and also just go Google it and search for the things. And this were the client-side technologies, which was implemented before going to the server at the client-side itself, and the client-side scripting frameworks, jQuery, and these were all the very interesting and the most useful information related to domain. And character encoding, HTTP's compression, and the technologies used for each and everything, which will be used later. And just try to know the terms and try to know what they are and how they can be integrated with this website, and just try to know the functioning of all the websites. And these were the things website depends on. And doc type technology, HTML5, and what HTML5. These were all the interesting things. You can just and you can see this website also uses the CSS, and the technology was used. These were all the interesting things, just you can which all requires your exploration.